Hey, welcome to my shop. My name is Brad. This is Boe Woodcraft, and today we're working on the bookcase project. So what we're going to do today is we're going to cut some joinery for the shelves. We're going to cut those mortise and tenon joints, and we're going to get the second one glued up. I glued the first one up off camera so you can kind of see what the carcass is going to look like or what the frame is going to look like. And I still have to put the back in this one, put a finish on it. But today we're going to go ahead through the steps of cutting the mortise and tenon and getting that all glued up. So stick around and thanks for watching. All right, if you didn't see the first part of this build, you can click right here and it'll take you to that video. And if you're enjoying the work that I do and want to support my channel, that'd be great. If you could just go ahead and click the subscribe button, maybe give me a like, that'd be very helpful. And it lets YouTube know that, you guys care. So anyway, let's get back to the build. Okay. Thanks for joining me on this little adventure. I hope you learned something. Maybe. I know I did a couple things. Until next time, I'm Brad. This is Boe Woodcraft. Get out in your shop, make something cool.